Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can get the keywords for your YouTube video or for Fiverr or for whatever platform you are using. So in this video, I'm going to show you a website where you will get a lot of ranked keywords. So let's start. So simply what you need to do, you have to write the keyword.io and then you have to press the enter. And after that, you have to select the platform that for which platform you want the keywords. For example, I'm going to select this one. So let's click on it. And after clicking on it, what we need to do, we have to write the keyword. For example, I want how and to, and now let's click on the search. And after that, it will load for a few seconds and it will show you a lot of keywords. So as you can see now, you can see all the keywords here, how to article, how to book, and you can use them as per your need. Simply what we need to do, we have to scroll down and we have to click on this no thanks. So as you can see, all the keywords are provided here. Simply you just have to copy out these keywords and after that you can use it in your videos. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can get your keywords. If you want these keywords for your Fiverr, you can also do that. You have to click on the Fiverr and then you have to write the sentence or keyword here. For example, I want the YouTube video editor and then you have to press the enter and it will also show you for Fiverr as well. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can get your keywords for your YouTube video or Fiverr platform. So you just have to follow these steps. So see you guys in the next video.